Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how to create this type of loading animation using HTML and CSS only. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all you can see that I have two files. The one is index.html and the second is style.css. I will create a basic structure of HTML in my HTML file, and I'm going to give title to this page like loading animation. Inside the body element I will create a div with class container. Next create another div with class ring, and then outside this div we have to create a span element, and inside this element I have typed a word loading. Next open style.css and type here star, and in the meanwhile you can see the current output. And next I will type here padding 0, margin 0 and box sizing border box. These three properties will be applied to our each element. Next I will copy this body element and paste this element here and type here display flex, justify content center, align item center and minimum height 100 vh. And we have to link our this CSS file with our HTML code. So I will type here link, and in the href attribute I will give the name of my style.css. So you can see that these four properties have bring our content at the center position of our screen. Next I will type here a background color for my body element. So I will type this color code. Next I will copy this container class and paste this class here. Type position relative. Next copy this container class and paste this class here, and then copy this span element and paste this element here and type color white, text transform uppercase, letter spacing 2 pixel, and here first of all I will type a background color white. Next I will copy this ring class and paste this class here, and then type width 150 pixel, height 150 pixel, border radius 50%, and here currently I am going to type orange. So you can see that currently my text is here at this position. So I have to type here display flex, justify content center and align item center, and next I will type here position absolute. So you can see that the loading word is at the center position. So next I will remove this border color because we don't need this, and change this color from black to white. Next, this is the main part of our video, and here we are going to design the circular animation. To do this, first of all I will create a keyframe, name this like ring, and inside this ring class I will type animation, animation name, duration, linear and infinite. It means that animation will never stop. 0%, and here I will type transform rotate 0 degree, box shadow 3 pixel, 3 pixel and 3 pixel, and here I am going to type this color code. So you can see that our animation will look like this. Next I will copy this 0% and paste this here and type here 50%, and in the rotate I will type the value 180 degree, and here I will type this color code. Type here 1, 5 pixel and 3 pixel. Next I will copy this and paste this here and type here 100%, and here I have to type 360 degree, and here I am going to type this color code. So friends, you can see that we have complete our code. Let me show you in a big screen. So friends, our loading animation will look like this. I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. And finally, thanks for watching.